Hey, Misty with Behold Beauty Boutique. We are back to attempt to add some eyeliner and some lashes. So I'm going to be using my magnetic eyeliner that goes along with my magnetic eyelashes. And we're going to start applying this. And a tip is to hold your eye up and close your eye to get as close as to your natural lashes as possible. We're just going to try and draw this out. Oh, Lord, I messed it. Alright, we're going to try to do the other eye and then come back and put the eyelashes on. And then we'll finish it out with the bottom and the stamp. Trying to get enough on there where it magnetizes to it. And these magnetic eyelashes are amazing. So we're going to try to use the tool. I normally don't use the tool, but I'm going to attempt to use the tool. So you take the eyelash like this in your tool and you kind of just hold and this is magnetic, so it's trying to stick, and then you just try to pop them on. And then you can use your finger to press them on. And press all the way across. And there's the first one. And if it don't feel natural, then you can go back and repeat the process. So you want them to feel natural and not to aggravate you. Alright, I've got the second one in my tool, and I'm going to try to do the same thing. Just pop it on. And then press along where it needs to lay. And that one went on really easy. Alright, and then we're going to get some mascara and blend your natural eyelashes and your magnetic eyelashes together. Alright, we're just going to try to use some mascara and coat the two together to not see any gaps between your natural eyelashes and your magnetic eyelashes. And there you go. There is your eyelashes. You can see them. Alright, now we're going to work on the bottom. So I'm going to use just a gel liner for the bottom and then a stamp. Ratchet. Alright, so we're going to pull the eyelash, the eyeball down, the eyelid down, and then we're just going to kind of go and get under behind the eyelashes. And then I'm going to show you a trick for your waterline. And clean up my eyelashes underneath. eyelashes not want to stick on the corner. Alright, so for your waterline, if you take a Q-tip and you dry your waterline out, take a clean Q-tip and dry it off and get any moisture or residue off. It'll make your eyeliner go on easier and stay on longer. So now I'm just going to draw my waterline. And I am going to cheat and use a stamp for my cat line. So I have this two double-sided stamp with your right and your left stamp. And I'm just going to pop that right on. Just go in your corner. And you pop that stamp and press it down. And there you have your stamp. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then you can take any kind of eyeliner and just blend the lines in. Make it come together. Alright, now I'm going to clean under my eyes and get ready, and we're going to add some lipstick and finish this look. So I exfoliated my lips to get all the oils and things off of that. So now I'm going to go in with a lip liner, and I'm just going to draw it out and only focus on the middle really for the lip liner. This will give your lips some definition. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX liquid and fill it in. We're going to fill it in. And then blot it. And that is going to finish out this look. I'm going to use a little bit of lip oil on top to make a gloss. And this is strawberry lip oil, and it smells fantastic. So, that is the final look. Except for my hair is still ratchet, but I'm going to let it down and show you guys. Hang on. And there you have it. So, I don't look as ratchet with my hair down. So, because I got a really big forehead and I hate to see my forehead. So, that is the finished look. Absolutely love that palette. It is amazing. So, I hope you guys will check it out. And I'll put some links in the description where y'all can get some of the things. And y'all tell me what you think on this video. Give me some comments, some likes, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, and I forgot. It's beer 30. Woo! Bye.